What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to go offline on Ubisoft Connect. Make sure you log in at least once while online, launch the game at least once and check that the game is fully updated. Open Ubisoft Connect on your PC. Log in into your account while connected to the internet, then click the menu icon in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then select the Network tab. You can enable options like always start in offline mode if available. Now go and click Go Offline from the main menu. If you want to launch games offline, go to your library and select a supported game, story-based titles like Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown, then click Play. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.